bright. The beach is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so right. The feeling of freedom in the air. Days are long and lazy.
Paraw, sana yung may sunset po?
Okay. Balikan ko kayo dito mamaya, ma'am.
Sige po.
Okay. Bali, dito na lang tayo mag-meet, ma'am, ha?
Sige po.
4 o'clock, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Meron na bang yung ma'am, ano ma'am? Pinasakay si Bang Bangka.
Akala ko nagkakala sila
Oh, we're here at Kuka Beach. Kuka Beach. Asan yung mga sandcastle? So, ito yung sistema dito. Pipila ka, tapos magpipicture ka dyan. Boracay, Kuka.
Sun is shining bright. The beach is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so right. The feeling of freedom in the air. The days are long and lazy, and the nights are filled with music and fun. The palm touch.
Shape ng crocodile. Kaya tinawag siya ng crocodile island. Snorkeling area din siya, kaso malakas yung alon. Kaya hindi pwede mag-snorkel.
Ang dami-dami yung house.
Forma niya? Ator, ano? Ano?
That's better. Baka may spicy ata. Hindi ata ako nagsukulay kaya nahirapan si ate. Punta kayo ng Bora, dapat magpaganto daw kayo. It's a must. Yung sobrang red na ng ano ko. This is tiis ganda. Masakit. Dito banda. Ayan, pag dyan, sa part na yan. Galing ni ate. Ang bilis pa ng kamay nila na. Huwag na buo na.
Ma'am, bali ang paraw natin ma'am is 30 minutes lang siya.
Okay po.
So, pwede kayong sumakay ng 4:30 ma'am.
Pwede na po?
Oo.
4:30 or ano ate?
4:30 ma'am.
Hindi na 5?
Yung sasakyan natin para mama yung Francisco.
Dito ako excited sa mga activities natin. Oh, paparaw kami today with these two kuyas. Do we need this one?
Dito po tayo, ma'am. Sinikat, ma'am, lagay mo dito, ma'am, baka malaglag. Tsaka yung bag mo, sir, lagay mo sa loob. Dito, Nicole.
It's paraw sailing. Yung mechanism niya only that one. No engine. Sila kuya lang. Sila kuya lang sapat. Ah! Hello, kuya. One piece pala to eh. Name niya?
Bonbon po, ma'am. Bonbon po.
Bonbon?
Opo.
Ikaw, kuya.
Toto po, toto.
Toto, si kuya. Hi, kuya.
Hello po, ma'am. Basta mo para, ma'am.
Yes po. Ang saya, enjoy.
Ang kailan po kayo dito, ma'am?
30, kuya.
Ay, bukas po, ma'am, may parada po yung mga paraw. Lahat po ng mga paraw yun, ma'am. Yung mga sinila, may mga pinta, dilayan po.
Oh, ano oras po yun?
Mga 9 po, ma'am.
9 ng morning.
Opo.
Oh, sakto. Ano na?
Kaya nga po, ma'am, may makikita ko.
Oh.
Kaya nga po, ma'am, hanggang 30 lang kayo. Pag may 1 po kasi, ma'am, may risk po yun, ma'am, ng paraw, ma'am.
Oh, 30 lang kuya. Pero tomorrow may para sailing po kami kaya nandito din.
Nakita niyo dito po yun, ma'am. Bukas, ma'am.
Oh, let's enjoy. Let's enjoy. Hi there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, Paraw day today. You must try this pag nasa Boracay kayo. Amazing experience. Tapos yung mechanism niya, hangin lang. No engine, so very peaceful, walang maingay. Then, we're just gonna enjoy the view. It's so peaceful. You should try this when you're here in Boracay. Dito niya ma-enjoy yung island. Yung transportation nila nung unang panahon. No engine. Ano bang tawag dyan? Paraw.
Hindi.
Ayun, naglalayag. maglalayag kami with the One Piece team. Kuya, gano'n ka kalayo?
Medyo pababaw lang dito kung ito malapit doon sa
Oh.
nakikita na kung bato.
Sinisigop lang nila, kuya. Pagkita ko daw yung... So, pag nag-Boracay, you must try this one. It's called parasailing. So, nakakawala siya ng stress. Hindi siya maingay, wala siyang engine. So, yung mechanism lang niya is yung air, hangin. Hangin lang. So, yung maririnig mo lang talaga yung waves, air, sunset. Kuha namin is si Frances. Ang galing o ang bilis. Woohoo! Magkipag-race tayo kala kuya. Bye!
She moves like a magnet.
Say hello to them!
A whisper
Soju
caught
Annie,
in the
windmill.
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and
Yung aking 50 pesos na sa'yo.
she's chasing skies I've never met while I stay in my lane. It's something in the way
Woohoo!
keeps pulling at my
Get strapped. Lahat ng may blue,
You
mga
carry
paraw
the sun
silver.
in your stride.
Tada!
Leaving behind what
Ina, Bora.
I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside
Tama lang na
you.
nagpa-braids ako. Kasi ang hangit. Oo nga po eh. Ang ganda pa naman. Woohoo!
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on a wall and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by
Patak
my
na lang.
time rolls on like cocaine, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind
Nawala yung stress ko.
what I
Thank you,
hold
Lord, for
inside. If I
Good
don't
vacation.
ask your name today,
vacation.
never get the chance to walk beside you.
Boracay, thank you so much.
Maybe next
Ayun, hanapin na sila kuya. Yung Frances.
on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your Sun is shining bright. The beach is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so right. The feeling of freedom in the air. The days are long and lazy,
May lumot pa.
and the nights are filled with
May lumot pa pero konti na lang. So if you wanna go here, pwede na. Ma-enjoy nyo na. This is Bora. Ang ganda. Hindi ko ma-explain. Basta, maganda. Ah! So after Paraw, try nyo to. Ice Flakes Boracay. Sa likod ng D-Mall. Legit, ang sarap. So, yung flavor na in-order ko, mango.
There's something magical about waking up on a vacation. No alarms, no deadlines, just the sound of new place coming to life. And today, it's Boracay. Suddenly, the world seems full of possibilities. Maybe because I'm rested. Today is about slowing down and just letting things be. Or simply sitting long enough to remember what calm feels like. Deep breathe, smile wide, and today, to be exactly what you needed. A reminder that joy is found in the simplest moments.
pulling at my chain.